Hi guys, it's Master Gaming here. Today I'm gonna show you how to hack Subway Surf with Lucky Patch. You must download the Lucky Patch. The link is in the description. First, open Lucky Patcher. Find Subway Surf. Open it. Open menu of patches. Create modified application file. Application rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation. Rebuild the app. It takes 5 minutes or less. We are back, it's finished. Go to File, Subway Surf, uninstall and install. Subway Surf will be uninstalled, uninstall. And then click Install. Wait for installing. The installing is finished. Click Open. Wait for loading. Subway Surf World Tour Venice. Here, sweep down at any time during a power jump to land immediately. You know the rules of this game. You must run as escape from the inspector and his dog. Finish tutorial. I'm finished with the tutorial. Go to shop. Double coins. Auto repeat purchases with the current settings. Yes. Starter pack. Auto repeat purchases with the current settings. Pro pack. Champion pack. Master pack. And legend pack. Go and upgrade Jetpack, Super Sneakers, Coin Magnet, Multiplayer. Go to store, value of coins, auto repeat purchases current settings. And create of case. Go to menu, go to me, and buy some characters. Get King. Great White. If you enjoy, like and subscribe. Bye.